lines that we're going to have. We're going to graph more than one line on a graph. Right up to now, we've only graphed one equation. So now we're going to have at least two. So parallel lines, what do those look like? Right?
Can I draw it out?
Sure. And we're going to show parallel lines are lines that do not touch. And we're going to draw them out. Oops, that wasn't a very straight line. Draw your best ability for a straight line. And they're parallel. If you want to do the parallel symbol, you could draw a little arrow. That's telling your reader that they're parallel, that they won't touch. So that little arrow through there. It's a little geometry. Okay, so they're two lines that'll never, ever, ever touch. They're going to be equal distances apart the whole time. Now, parallel lines will have the same slope, okay, but they'll have different y-intercepts. Okay, same slope, different y-intercept. Okay, so if I had an equation like y equals 3/5 x plus 4, what is my slope in this equation? 3/5, right? Can anybody create an equation that would be parallel to this? Same slope, but a different y-intercept. What do you think we could have? Max?
Y equals 3/5 x plus 5.
Plus 5. That's a great one. Anybody want to come up with a different one, Leo?
Y equals 3/5 x plus 6.
That would work. Daniel?
Y equals 3/5 x plus -4.
So that's the minus 4. Very good. All right. Same slope. Slope is 3/5. Slope is 3/5. Slope is 3/5. Slope is 3/5. Okay. Same slope, different y-intercept. So that's parallel. All right. Now let's go back. Venture back. Oops. If we're going to venture back now, perpendicular. Anybody think they can tell me the definition of a perpendicular line? Alejandra, what do you got? They cross, and they cross a very specific angle. What do you say?
Right.
Very good. So close that door. Perpendicular are lines that cross at a 90-degree angle. So draw two lines that are crossing but have that right angle box inside. 90 degrees. Okay, that's perpendicular. They cross, if they just cross, they're just called intersecting lines. Perpendicular means at 90.
So yeah, like this one.
Mm-hmm. So lines now. Oops, are we frozen? Oh dear. So our perpendicular lines are going to be opposite reciprocals. Ugh. So opposite reciprocals. So if I had the fraction or the number 4, the opposite reciprocal would be negative 1/4. Okay? The y-intercept can be any number. Okay? So, thinking about this, can anybody give me what would be the opposite reciprocal of 4/5? Daniel.
-5/4.
Negative 5/4. Perfect. What would be the opposite reciprocal of negative 5? Right? Positive 1/5. All right. Opposite reciprocal of negative 3/2. Bless you.
Bless you.
Positive. Well, remember, we got to flip it, Bill. So we're going to flip it.
2/2/3.
Very good. Positive 2/3. All right. What do you think about negative 1/7? Ian? Just 7. We could also write 7/1 if we wanted to. And what would be the opposite reciprocal of this number, Bill?
-100,252.
Well, we have to do reciprocal. That's just the opposite. opposite over over 100,250. Okay. What do we think? Opposite reciprocal of negative 83, Ms. Rose. Positive. So that's our opposite reciprocals. So our next venture, if they're not parallel and they're not perpendicular, they are going to be what? Neither. Very good. So right here, they're just going to cross at an angle that is not 90 degrees. So just draw two lines, just crossing. Cross. They can be crossing acute and obtuse, cross at 90.1 degrees or 89.9 degrees, but it has to be that 90 degrees. Okay? Did everybody make sure I forgot that perpendicular, you have that right angle box in? Go back up and make sure your perpendicular has that right angle box in. I don't forget you ever have to say that. Okay? So, for neither, the slopes are not the same. They're also not opposite reciprocals. And the y-intercept can be anything.